Did I split something?
Yes.
Oh, I did?
Yes, your pants.
Okay.
You just gotta grab them just like that pretty much, and then you gotta make sure you have obviously both testicles.
Hey, Veezy kids! On today's episode, we have the vets coming in to check on the llama.
We're also gonna give some shots to the goats.
We also have Blake from Blake's Exotic Animal Ranch coming through to castrate a goat. Stick around, this is gonna be a crazy episode.
There's no scissors involved with that. No.
Hey Veezy kids, so I don't know if you know this guy, but he was in the last couple videos we did a little bit ago. This is Blake. His link's gonna be down below. Blake's Exotic Animal Ranch. Bear, right?
Bear.
So he came up here because if you guys remember, he gave us 4 of these baby goats. One of them started doing a little happy dance with the other ones. So he's coming by now.
And did a little bit of castrating. Got him situated. And,
so we just wanted to try to see this, but my boy's here, so we're gonna do that. Stick around. You gotta make that in the water because anytime some people come to the Veezy Kids farm, we have them eat for the ducks. So let's see if you can hit the water. Hey, that was good.
That wasn't too bad. We'll go inside the goat area.
Yeah? All right.
So who's gonna help me? Somebody.
Rihanna is right here.
Somebody needs to hold the goat. All right, so you can sit down and put it like in your lap.
Okay. Like this?
Yeah, just like that. And then you just gotta grab them just like that pretty much. And then you gotta make sure you have obviously both testicles because you don't have the right one, then it's not gonna be right. And then you open this bad boy up right here. So it's open up and you make sure you go all the way in and you drop them in. You guys ready? You guys ready?
We're ready.
See some action? It's not too bad. All right, put them in right there. That's it, you can drop them. All done.
So what happens now, Blake? It falls off?
About 2 weeks to a month. He's gonna do a couple limps here and there. In about 2 weeks and about a month, you're never gonna see him again. They shrivel up, fall right off. Simplest, easiest way to do it. Some people don't like doing it because they want to put him to sleep and do it surgically and all that stuff, but then you have to give him a lot more medication. You got to put him to the side. You got to make sure he heals up. You're cutting him up, all that right there. In a couple weeks, it just curls up, pops right off. You never see him on the ground. You never know where the band goes. The band dissolves in the ground, and there you go. Farm weight, easy, ready to go.
You guys see how fast that was?
Fast, easy, castrating.
All right, guys, if you guys need your goats castrated, make sure you check out Blake's page. It's crazy. Does that work on humans? Hey, Veezy kids, all right, so we got another guest appearance here. We got the vet here. What's your name, ma'am?
Dr. Sarah Blaine Kennedy.
Dr. Sarah Blaine Kennedy and, sir?
Bruno.
Bruno. They don't talk about Bruno.
We don't talk about Bruno.
Keep it that way.
So these guys came up, if you guys know, they worked on Paul Cafaro's animals for a while, and Paul said, hey, get a hold of her because she's the best around. So we got new llamas, we got new chickens, we got dogs, we got Veezy kids, so we needed a vet to come check everything out. So, hi.
Hi.
So the sulcata tortoises, for the females, to tell if it's a female, the females are normally gonna have a Hershey kiss tails. That's what I tell in my videos. It's small little tail. The male's gonna have a real long tail for the males, so the males can breed with the females.
Yeah.
And that's how you could tell if it's short that it's a female.
Yeah, majority of the time, yeah. But you're really not gonna be able to tell until they're about 16 inches.
Is that only with sulcatas or?
Majority of all tortoises. A normal mature sulcata is probably gonna get of age of around 6 to like 8 years old.
Ooh, we learned so much here on the Veezy Kids farm. It's nuts. The baby goat has been castrated. My man Blake took care of that.
Made it happen.
Quickly too. It didn't, what, it took 2-3 minutes?
Yeah.
So again, man, thank you so much for coming up here, my brother.
Anytime. Told you I was making it happen.
Yeah. Hey, guys, comment down below if you guys want him to come back up here and do some other crazy stuff. If you want like kids castration, I can't say that. Whatever you guys want though. We got to get Blake to come up here though, because it's always awesome when he's around. So Blake, you're always invited.
See you later.
Anytime you want.
Yep, no problem.
Wait, stop, hit the brake.
What brake?
Dance brake.
I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Low me tools, no, I can't be fooled. Low me tools, no, I hate these dudes. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Drop my first single, let go, he rap. You thought it was a drought, that's cap. I get the front and I get the back. Lil Uzi the facts, like that's a rat. Bought some new boots just to wear them out.
And then this is your daughter.
So this is Rihanna. What's special about her is she's the veterinarian for this house.
Okay.
She has no
She's your animal
issues
care
grabbing
specialist.
them, petting them, feeding them, fixing them, helping, everything. She's the one that's literally.
Future vet school.
Oh, 100%.
Good, good.
By far. I can go hands-on with stuff, but I'm
Okay.
nothing like her.
Okay.
I won't even pretend to be on her level.
Okay, we're in the llama pen, and I want to point out that the llamas will make piles of manure. And we're going to take a sample from the fresh manure, and we're going to send it to the lab, and we're going to look at the parasites. And we don't want parasites to build up. It's going to be really important for your pasture management to be removing this. Now, you can, because llamas like to go in a small area, you can set up like sort of a box, and so that it's easy to clean it up and it doesn't spread out to these other areas.
So what are we doing now?
So we're gonna catch llamas. All right?
Hey, good luck.
And you're gonna block her from coming out. Give me the towel. Put the towel over her head. Okay, hold the towel over her head.
Got her bottom hooves.
Okay. Nope, hold the towel over her head. Like this.
Just her eyes open.
Just like that. Okay. Llamas give up once you throw a towel over their head. You put the halter on while the towel is on. Okay, here we go. You're gonna sniff for infection. You can always smell infection. You have to use your 5 senses to do diagnoses with animals. So no smell in that ear, that's normal. Llamas can get quite a lot of yeast infections in their ear, so can goats. So we're gonna look at her teeth. All right, those are her gums. Those are just papilla in there. So you're gonna have to handle them on a daily basis, you know, catch them up. They just have nails like we do. That's the pad of their finger like this. These animals are soft hooved animals.
So the way I'm holding her is the way you kind of want to hold a dog or a pig or any animal that's on their side, to really hold them and control them without much effort. I'll go get your
Yeah.
extra pants.
Did I split something?
Yes.
Oh, I
your-
did.
Yes, your pants.
Okay.
Things like as a garden shear, they work just as good for nipping.
Well, we're gonna have to see if she wants to stand up with that on. Yeah.
Take her away.
Watch out, watch your head. Ready? Yep. Nope, they just came right off.
Yo, you guys are matching. That's good merch. Yo, speaking of merch, this week's giveaway goes to Linda Rahman, who last episode commented. And because of that, you win some free Veezy Kid merch.
Fun fact, our llama is named after her, so that's cool.
Ah,
If you guys want to win some merch, all you gotta do is comment down below, become a subscriber, and you're automatically entered.
you can get you some of this. This. Where's hers? Oh, her hair is always covering it. Hey, give me 5,000 likes on this video. We shave her head.
What? No. Yep, back her into the corner. Good girl. She saw what happened to the other one. She's like, oh, I know what I'm supposed to do. These are definitely trained animals. All right, come over here and show me your skills. Smell this ear and tell me if there's anything wrong with it.
I don't think so.
It doesn't smell bad, right? Now look at the skin of that ear. Does it look normal?
Yeah.
It's smooth, feel it, right? It's black skin. So you have to know what your animal looks like when it's normal, all right, to know what abnormal is. All right, and those are her bottom teeth. They don't have top teeth. She's a well-trained llama. She knows what her business is. She's a smart girl.
Feel it pushing.
Yeah. Yeah. And then you can also Dremel them if you want to.
All right, Veezy Kids. So we are going to catch the 4 baby goats. because Dr. Kennedy brought some shots, and we're gonna give these babies some shots.
All right, I got one of the babies. Yep.
This is how we do the shots in the muscle. And she's gonna scream. It's gonna sound like I'm killing her, but don't worry.
Pull back. You rub it for a second. Yep, fuse them.
So Courtney's done, and
Who's
now
next? All right, same thing.
Distracting you, gang. Your gang.
I'm pulling back. Stick it in. Pull back to make sure there's no blood in the syringe, and then push through. And give it a nice rub.
All right, Veezy kids. So we had goats got their shots. One of them got castrated. Llamas got all checked out. We met Dr. Kennedy and Bruno today, and we don't talk about Bruno. Thank you guys both so much for coming by.
Pleasure.
And you're now on the Veezy Kids channel, so our viewers see you. These guys are the best of the business, so I just want to thank you guys for coming out. It was kind of short notice too. You guys came out and taught us so much today. Like, our llamas have halters on them. Hopefully you guys will be out here in a couple weeks too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe
do more
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. Shout out to Dr. Kennedy for helping us with the llamas. Shout out to Blake's Exotic Ranch for helping us with the goats.
and subscribe to become a Veezy kid.
Like us! Hit the bell icon to join the Noti gang.
Boom, 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 boom! And never eat yellow snow.
You need to stop ending these videos with this weird stuff.
Yeah.
It's a tip.